G'day guys, it's Rob from Tat. Today we've got a vehicle that's not here. The vehicle's already left, but we've got some data I just wanted to show you. Stick with us and I'll show you what it was. So this vehicle was a 2002 RAV4 that came in for intermittent stalling, intermittent running rough and installing with 0 codes. And it came from another shop. A few things have been replaced already. And what we decided to do, like our usual process, is jump on Tat, have a quick look, see if there's any repair solutions. And we found a repair solution relating to ignition coils being faulty, causing some back EMF and spiking the PCM and causing the stall. So we decided to have a look, and what we'll do is I'll quickly show you that TSB, and I'll show you what we found on the vehicle with our captures.
So as you can see here, what we have is the repair solution that I was telling you about. As you can see, some diagnosis was done and the end result was a faulty ignition coil causing back EMF and spiking the PCM to stall the vehicle. So I've connected up, as you can see here. We've got our red channel on ignition coil number 1 IGF circuit, and the other 3 channels are the IGT circuits on the other 3 coils. So as you can see, that we have this massive red spike every time, pretty much every single time the yellow coil fires. As you can see here, we stall towards the end of this capture and we have a huge spike there. I didn't quite capture the full the peak of it to see how big it was, but this is what caused the vehicle stalling. And we replaced the ignition coils and the stall was no longer present and the spikes were no longer there. So take my word for that. I don't have the capture to show you, but this vehicle's fixed.
So there you go guys, as usual, Tat's a great resource to see if we can obviously preempt any jobs coming in the door. And yeah, as you can see, this one lined up perfectly. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.